everybody, Artistic Play here, back with another speed art video. Today I will be drawing Popeye. Let's begin. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know by giving this video a like. It lets you know you like content like this. In the comment section, let me know if you ever watch Popeye. Also in the comment section, if you have any suggestions, be sure to leave them down there, and who knows, one of them might show up in a future video. Consider subscribing over to the channel and get notified on any upcoming content. As always, stay creative. Bye!